Hey everyone, Dr. Tam here. So tomorrow, Wednesday, September 19th at 6 p.m., that is going to be the time of our neuropathy workshop. Anyone you know who has diabetes, you have to know that the rates of getting neuropathy, peripheral neuropathy, whether it's in the fingertips or in your feet, it's going to be a 70% chance unless if you make a change today. Most of neuropathy patients sometimes don't even know you have neuropathy at the beginning. And that's what we do in our office. If you notice that maybe you have tingling or burning in your feet, maybe some numbness in your feet, you're starting to lose your balance and stumble, whether you're during the light or in the dark itself, that's really the beginning of neuropathy. Maybe you have been told that you are pre-diabetic, and some of our patients have diabetes and have neuropathy, and some of them are only pre-diabetic and still have neuropathy, because diabetes really is just a number of how bad your sugar levels are, your resting sugar levels or fasting sugar levels. And neuropathy can come on before or after diabetes. So this is really a chance for you to, number one, learn about neuropathy and what it really is, and number two, have an opportunity to figure out whether or not you have neuropathy. And it's going to be a group setting, so we really want to try to build support for people with neuropathy and for you to have an opportunity to figure out if you have it or not. So tomorrow at 6 p.m. give us a call. Give us a call at 707-474-5688 to RSVP. You can RSVP via the Facebook event as well, and we'll go from there. So I can't wait to hear from everybody and hopefully be able to help you. And so have a great day. Hope to see you soon.